Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, we are going to discuss about that how you can download the WhatsApp for PC and how you can use the WhatsApp app on your PC. So let's start. There are two ways using a WhatsApp on the PC. The first method is if you want to use the WhatsApp, then you can use the WhatsApp on the Google Chrome, or if you want to download the WhatsApp app, you can also do that. So let's start. So first of all, what we need to do, we have to open the Google Chrome. So let's click on the Google Chrome. So as you can see, the Google Chrome is here. Now what we have to do, we have to write the WhatsApp here. You have to simply write the WhatsApp here, and after that you will see the official website of the WhatsApp. So now if you want to use the WhatsApp on Google Chrome, then simply you have to click on this. Or if you want to download the WhatsApp app, then simply you have to click on this. So first of all, let's see that how we can use this on the Google Chrome. So let's open this one. Now let's click on this. So as you can see, it's loading. We have to wait for a few seconds until it loads. So as you can see here, the WhatsApp is open. Now if you want to use this on your computer, you have these some steps. We have to follow these. So as you can see, the first step is open WhatsApp on your phone. So what we have to do, we have to open the WhatsApp app in our phone. And the second step is tap on menu and on Android or setting on iPhone. If you are using an Android phone, then you have to click on the menu, or if you are using an iOS, then you have to simply click on the setting. And after that, the third step is tap linked devices and then link a device, and you will see the linked device option there, and then you have to click on that option. And the fourth and the final step is point to your phone at the screen to capture the QR code. Simply you have to scan the QR code. You have to scan this QR code from your mobile, and your WhatsApp will be automatically connected here, and you will see all the details and all the things here. So in this way you can use WhatsApp in your Chrome. If you want to download the app, you can also do that. So let's go to the back, and now we have to click on the download WhatsApp. So let's open this one, and now I'm going to open this here. And now as you can see, here's the button for the download. And as you can see, so as you can see, here's something important. If you want to use the WhatsApp app, then simply you must need a Windows 10. So if you want to download this, simply you have to click on the download button, and it will take few seconds in downloading. So as you can see, it's done. And then you have to click on the install button. Now you have to click on the setup, and then you have to simply install it. It's very easy to understand. It's very easy. You just have to install this one. So I'm going to cut this because I have already installed the WhatsApp app, as you can see here. So in this way you can use the WhatsApp on your Google Chrome. In this way you can install the WhatsApp app. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can use the WhatsApp app on your Google Chrome and how you can install it on your PC. So see you guys in the next video.